Ready to share your amazing code with the world and collaborate like a pro. First, let's get you set up with a GitHub account. Head over to github.com in your web browser. On the GitHub homepage, you will find the sign up option, which will take you to the account creation page. Here, enter a unique username, a valid email address, and a strong password. Make sure you remember these. Once you've filled in the details, click the big green button to create your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email address. Now, let's move to uploading your project. Locate the project you want to upload from your local computer. Ensure it's well organized in a dedicated folder. Back on GitHub, click the Create Repository button. This is where your project will live online. Give your repository descriptive name and add a brief description to explain what your project does. You can choose the project to be public or private based on your preferences. It's a good practice to initialize your repository with a README file. Check the box that says Initialize this repository with a README. Click Create Repository to finalize the setup. Great, your repository is ready. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Return to your repository on GitHub and click the Add File button from the drop-down menu. Select Upload Files. Now simply drag and drop all your project files from your local folder into the upload area. Once the files are uploaded, you'll see a progress bar. After the upload is complete, scroll down and add a short message describing your initial commit. This is like a snapshot of your project at this point. Click the Commit Changes button to save your uploaded files to the repository. And that's it. You've successfully created a GitHub account and uploaded your first project. Now you can track changes, collaborate with others, and showcase your work to the world. Happy coding!